Hello, in this video I would like to show you Bloomer 2, which is a grow light to help you grow plants at home. It fits in a normal lighting fixture that you might have at home, for example a desk lamp or a free floor standing lamp. This light helps you to keep your plant alive and take care of their health because it provides the right kind of light that the plant needs. And in this case it's lots of deep red, blue, green and other colors, and this combination together is supporting the photosynthesis and the development of plants, for example through better rooting. And better rooting will lead to better nutrient intake, and therefore your plants are healthier and happier. So this combination together of these colors also makes sure that the light is not completely pink or completely white, but is white with a pink color tone. And that's because it's basically made for plants and not necessarily for the human eye. The diameter of this light is about 70 millimeter and the height of this light is 133 millimeter. It is a E27 screw base, which is very common for people at home, and it is an 11 watt lamp bulb. So it also means that you should always check your fixture whether that can handle 11 watt, and most fixtures can actually handle that. It's easy to screw in. You just screw it in and then you can turn on the light. In this case, this light bulb is made for general use, for plant use, and you can use it for about 10 to 14 hours per day, so that plants have a good daytime and also a resting time at night, so they can rest and respire. The light is emitting about 90 micromole, and that's the amount of light that plants need, and it has about 890 lumen, and lumen is basically the intensity of light that the human eye can perceive. If you feel this is too bright, you can also dim the light with an LED dimmer. The dimmer is not included. The best way is to install the light as close as possible to the plant, because it's about the amount of light that hits the plant surface. Especially for adult plants, we suggest about a 20 to 40 centimeter distance. If you would like to have a larger distance, or you would like to have a stronger light intensity, then we would recommend you to use more bulbs or consider another fixture, for example the nursery tree. This light is specifically made for people that love to grow plants at home, and it's very suitable for seedlings. So for example, if you are growing seedlings for your vegetable garden, as well as house plants such as monstera, philodendron, anthurium and other plants. If you have any questions, so please feel free to email us or write a comment. As for now, I wish you all the best of luck and happy growing. Thank you.